development, we can create, we can make use of the Kotlin for normal programming also. That one we have seen using online compiler or command line compiler. So apart from that, we can make use of the REPL also. Let us see this one first. Sorry for taking huge amount of time due to this execution, huge execution time.
Meanwhile, participants, do you have any doubts? You can ask. Ask our resource person.
Yes, ma'am. Anything I want to convey from anything I want to convey?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to
Because
complete this one. Is it okay? I want to stop.
execution takes time, so that ask the participants to, suppose if they are having doubt,
Yes.
they can clear it. So that let us.
Okay.
It is easy for us to start the next session, ma'am. So that.
Notepad file as well as PDF file to you, madam. You can share with the participants. So apart from that,
Okay, ma'am.
I want to any doubt from the participant side, we can see. If no doubts, I can close my session, right? So
Participants, do you
what I
have
have to
doubts?
do?
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. I'm audible.
Neela, ma'am.
Yes,
What?
sir.
Yes, sir. You can ask, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, there is a cross scripting. If you go for Intel, they have a XTK. That means a cross scripting for all the operating systems. Suppose in future, if I'm developing my app with Kotlin, so future adaptability regarding future apps adoption, how it's comfortable with that, ma'am?
Sir, we are having two main compatibilities over here. One is it is very well interoperable with Java. So, which platforms or tools that are supporting Java, we are having the support from Kotlin side. And another one is it is supporting multi-platform. So, these two powerful features are there. Using that one, we can, and third one is multiple application development. So these three features I feel as very powerful features so that we can shine better. So how on prior days we have the thought of having the expertise in Java is better. Likewise, now we are getting the new language that is Kotlin. If you are expertise in Kotlin, it is well and good. Why? Because all are moving to few already moved towards Kotlin, and some companies are also in line, so that we can also shine. So that is my thought or idea I want to share with you. Thank you.
Ma'am, one more question regarding cloud support, ma'am. If you compare with some other mobile companies like Honor and some other companies, they have their own cloud. Okay, and if I am developing my application over Kotlin, how it supported the other company cloud environments, ma'am.
Sir, already we are having some cloud supported Kotlin plugins in the Android Studio I came across. So using that plugins, we can create the cloud oriented applications also using Android Studio and Kotlin. So in that way, we can create the applications that is compatible with cloud-oriented environments. So that is my experience.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other?
Any other questions? Any other questions? So let us conclude this first session. Participants, ma'am, there is one question in chat box. How to install AVD?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam. We can install the AVD using this tools AVD Manager. So defaultly, we will be getting the support from Android Studio. So you can using AVD Manager, we are getting this AVD already inbuilt in the Android Studio itself. So if you are selecting Android Manager, you can create virtual AVD is nothing but Android virtual device. Using this one, we can create the virtual device by ourselves. So if you are creating, if you are selecting this option, we'll be displaying the various models of the phones. So from that we can select which one we want to have. So this is the options for creating the Android virtual device. I have selected Nexus S API 22 level, that is Lollipop version. So based on your system configuration, we can select the mobile models.
Okay, ma'am. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. So let us conclude this first session. So I thank Dr. Neela Mageshwari ma'am for her presentation. But meanwhile, there are all some technical issues, so that this session takes much time. So let us join our second session at 12 noon. Thank you, participants, and thank you, ma'am. Neela ma'am, thank you so much for your presentation, and we are very honored to have you with us, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Thank you all for your nice support. And I want to first convey my thanks to my friend and research colleague Manaka ma'am and Dr. Viveka ma'am for inviting me and giving a wonderful opportunity to speak with the dear participants. Thank you all and have a nice day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Participants, let us have our next session at 12 noon. So we are having a 10 minutes break. So you can join the same link at 12 noon. Thank you. Thank you, participants. Thank you, Neela ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.